Run and the little thing, they big up every gangster from there, but you see that boy they make that post about how up that boss in a club of war and put man there run and a drop say me go suck your mama talk and me ignorant tonight. Suck your mother and a try look no hype off a man there way there. You have all my friend them call boy fear me too. The dog around there. Hey boy on the stage. That TV. That's the boy there eat that. If broke somebody I ask about if I did a fight in a taboo. When I idiot which batty boy can box me in my face, my youth. Big artists like me when me I go up on stage go war man. For I see some people from Mobile Town who don't know themselves and all of that child looks so idiot type of a man like you can punk me in a youth and I'm fucking idiot man. And my fans them not supposed to know say I know me that man. Big stupid boy gone past stage I kick man, make man I push him down and make people I come see me. Me hate it to you see man and then my TV go mash up. Mother just box him in his face to if I did me at that M and they went go kick you know. Feel you know my youth, that TV are nice you know. Watch your TV, 750,000 dog. That me I tell a man say money is nothing you know dog. If you know what you're doing, you see life. You see your life? Your life is valuable than anything in this world. Don't worship vanity. Because look for me now. Take up 750,000 go buy one TV. Jesus Christ, the TV. Take up 750,000 buy one TV and the TV just mash up. Why, my TV. Jesus Christ, the TV feel like bad. I love a TV. Yo, me I go and watch you see him when you're some of youth. Feel you know. Back to Taboo now. Corey, look like you have to go give me 2 bookings to Taboo now. You one. Cause if you make people put out video, and me you know, say me and man in a club of war, say man bust my face, my cute face where girl them love. This is handsome boy we are brother 1 gray area we are bother me from when. Now do me that. Now punk my badness them way there. Remember when I laugh with people in the dark, when I forget in the dark, I'm missing up top in the bro, when I laugh with people in the bro. Don't do me bum buck like that. A beer me come from, but by an idea. Me know a beer run and the little thing. They big up every gangster from there. But you see that boy they make that post about how up that boss in a club of war and put man there run and a drop say me go suck your mama talk and me ignorant tonight. Suck your mother and a try look no hype off a man there way there. You have all my friend them call boy fear me too. The dog around there. Hey boy on the stage. That TV. That's the boy there eat that the man should have kill him. Make we know if I real up top boss.
Grams deserve it, Spice deserve it. All our people them were in there deserve it. Them work hard. Cause if Spice win, even though she unfollow me, I still my best day. That's the best day. Oh your main Spice, me da feel good. If Grams win, me feel good. Who else tonight? Just Royal. Any one of them win. Cause me not take no side. Me love all of them. I'ma play all of them tune. So any one of them they win, me would feel good. You understand? Any one of them will feel good. But what Jamaicans need to understand, you are the monkey in the fucking pet shop. Yes, I said it. The monkey in the pet shop. You know what the monkey is in the pet shop? The monkey is the most amazing, amusing, astonished, remarkable creature in the pet shop. But out of 10 parents, minus 10 would leave the pet shop with a monkey. They rather leave with a fucking ugly looking lizard. Oh, it's a beautiful lizard. Them rather leave with a gopher, a hamster, a little white rat, a pigeon, and something. But them never gonna leave with a monkey, but yet still, them leave with a puppy, but they never gonna leave with a monkey. Because the monkey is the most. But for some reason, them never gonna do that. You're not gonna leave the pet shop with a monkey. And I saw them look for our music. And we have to understand these things. That's why we say we have to support one another. You understand? Because this is a lick in our face again. Dirty stinking billboard, man. But me do want to know about billboard. But nobody never listen. Oh, Matterhorn the bad mind and Matterhorn did fight against. But billboard lick in our face. Oh, we're not there in them top 10. Billboard go suck your mother. No, we're going to start do some music. Make these pussies have a running. And when them running, we're going to suck your mother. We don't need to know. And that we need for do. That we need for do. Do back with music them the right way. Remember the world log on to us, you know. The music not sell out. The music cannot be sold. And else we are sell it. So it can't sell out. Don't get it twisted. It's not sell out. The music is never sell out. The government try control music. Them can't control it because of them sing the music. So the music is not sell out. If the music was sell out, then none of we would not do the music. You'd have some other people that do the music. We still do the music. We are still doing the music. So the music is not sell out. Them cannot sell it out. Not even we can sell it out. People are going to ask, who name Soldier? We don't give a fuck. After we see them down in Ukraine and blood clot Russia, so Soldier drop in our thing. And then big pussy Grammys come go on like them things say, we don't know where you do. You have so much Jamaicans. You know what this coming like? I've seen this so many times, you know. I'm telling you, when it come on to my culture, if you want to call me racist, prejudice, you can call me all kind of this, you want this, you know. Me, I tell you, say, me no stand for fuckery. I see him, so when me talk one time, some people say, me this Radigan, I'm this Mighty Crown. After me tell them the fucking truth, say, these fuckers don't have to do as hard as we have to do. And they don't know our music like we. All them have to do is just study like 3% of our music and present it back. And no swear to them bad. Remember me and Squingy, rest in peace. And me and Squingy, make you know say the Japanese blood clot bleed when they play chop them, you know. And me, make you know say Radigan bleed when him get chopped, you know. When me chop him in him ras, figuratively speaking, chop him in him ras down a pier one, you know. And make you know say, una come tell me about this white man, come tell me about it was in the year of 19. You can't teach me where in my DNA. Never. You cannot teach me what is in my fucking DNA. And that's why Matterhorn make a difference. Remember, Yami Bolo me use BUSS Radigan head, you know. I make everybody say, him can bleed. What wanna feel like? All it take is another culture to just come in and do our thing. Remember when you not tell me, say, the Japanese them bad, I beat the fuck out of them. Remember when you tell me that? Yes, they're bad, but not as bad as me. And they're not as bad as Trooper, Panther, Lynx, none of the dinosaur, but them bad. Them bad. Alright. Every year, Panjamra Cruise. You know why I'm the blood clot #1 contender? Because I am the best. But every year I go up against people from other cultures where them can play a normal song and them get a big forward. Me that fit go in my good brain. You see it? That's how the mentality is. That's the mentality. Uno make it look like as me tell you say, it's not straying from the point, it's the whole same thing. Remember one time when I say Radigan and the Godfather fit reggae. I'm say, in a which world? When you have Coxon and Saxon and all these great, in a which world you are going to tell me, say, that man there are the Godfather for reggae and dancehall? I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? So me are the one then. If you are the Godfather, me must be the blood clot stepfather. And at that, we keep make them doing to us over the years. Nothing wrong with another culture, love of music. But we always go on like say, we not do the music good. So at that, Grammys come to now, make it look like Spice never do the album good. Grams never do the album good. Jesse Royal never do the album good. But blood clot, some little nappy-head people named Soldier, where we don't know from nowhere. Nobody from Jamaica never know the guy them. Who the fuck on it is? What on the claim to fame? On the par with Bob Marley? On the par with Jacob Miller? On the par with Dennis Brown? You know Gregory Isaac, you know Ken Boot or any one of them. They all the blood clot, don't forget. Grammy for reggae. With so much prolific reggae acts in the competition. Why the fuck Soldier even there in a blood clot reggae category? What? Only gonna find one category round on the side. So we throw them over our side. And then give them it. And then make we look like we're a pussy. We're not a pussy. We don't want to no Grammy. Suck on the mama. Cause first thing, Grammy never did give with the Grammy where the world can see we are get the Grammy in the first place. As me say, on the treat we like one little fucker girl, we are take some fuck from one man, and the man no squeeze her a little chumps round her corner, and don't make nobody know. I saw on the deal with we. That's why me never really proud of the Grammy. I never proud of the Grammys. I never will be. Me just proud of the people them who got the Grammys. Don't get it twisted. Me never blood clot proud of Grammy. I grew up a foreign. I mean never proud of Grammy. Me just proud of my people who won the Grammys. I always proud of the people them who won the Grammy. But me, myself, no business, born no Grammy. Remember, when them tell me say, do Dirty Wine album, maybe I probably win the Grammy card. Based on how big Dirty Wine was, I would have win the Grammy. But I say, wanna come suck me. I not do an album. Wanna go out and go, I'm alright. God said don't do an album, I not do an album. I just sit down and I just do some shows and I just feed my family. And suck out to the mama. Cause I'm not gonna hurt me. You understand? And that is the problem with Jamaicans in a music. You get hurt because you're dumb. You not no sense. If you don't think like me and have zero tolerance to people and tell people to suck out their mother, you can't get hurt, you know. You cannot get disappointed if you don't disappoint the disappointee. You steal the bashman? How can I disappoint you, steal it, if you don't not take no disappointment from me? Me can't disappoint you. Me not expect nothing from them. So me not gonna be disappointing. You understand? Only need to stop let these people try to define us as well somebody say. You understand? Nobody can disappoint me in a music. No pussy can disappoint me in a music. Cause what do you tell you say? A dog me say I do blood clot dirty wine. So nobody can until you say a dog I do one phone song. You can't tell me nothing. You can't disappoint me. Because me never look for nothing from you. And bear that in mind.